Sir Paul McCartney had fans demanding a petition when he was spotted in the stands at the Super Bowl 59. The 59th Super Bowl saw the Kansas City Chiefs taking on the Philadelphia Eagles. Adam Sandler, Paul Rudd, and Rob Manfred were among others that joined the iconic Beatle as he watched the game. Fans were startled that Paul had traveled to New Orleans for the big game, but they also rushed to social media to demand a number of things. Rather than rapper Kendrick Lamar, many viewers of 1X were hoping to see Paul perform during the halftime show. "Let Paul McCartney perform the halftime show," was the post they made. "Paul McCartney is at the Super Bowl," someone else swiftly concurred. "The halftime show would be perfect for him to perform. Paul McCartney may have been summoned. I could see him clearly." Somewhere in the middle went up. "That halftime show would have improved immensely if they called Paul McCartney from the stands for a song," someone else said. Something like, "They could have brought out Paul McCartney to perform for us since he was sitting in the audience," another poster said. Paul really presided over the performance at an NFL game in 2005. His set list included Drive My Car, Get Back, Live and Let Die, the anthem from James Bond films, and more. With 84,000 individuals in attendance, the concert was completed by Hey Jude. As Jon Batiste played a jazzed-up rendition of the Star-Spangled Banner, supporters criticized the national anthem, calling it shameful and disrespectful. So came this development. "Sing the national anthem like the national anthem," one irate fan said. "No, it's not an improvised jazz piece. What a disgrace. It seems like you're attempting to add some flair to the national anthem, which is disrespectful," another commenter stated. "Apologies, but I'm not truly sorry.